Hi, Just Planes. Welcome to the Miniatur Wunderland. We have a miniature, incredible flight simulation and airport in the world. And I want to show you something. Let's check it out and some other stuff. Come on, let's get in. So first of all, I show you the airport. It's called Knuffing, and we have the construction plans of the real Hamburg's airport.
Hey, welcome to the airport. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Garrett. I'm one of the founders of the Miniature Wunderland, and welcome to the airport section of the Miniature Wunderland. So we started the construction in 2005 with the first ideas and ended it in May 2011. And the size is about 150 square meters. And with the whole team, everybody was involved in this construction. It took 150,000 working hours to build it and cost 4 million euros. There are many moments where we saw that we could do it better and that we can do everything like in the real airport, but we have to need time, so at the end it took 5 or 6 years to build all this you can see here. And one of the challenges was planes, having them take off and landing with the right speed, and otherwise they should taxi on the ground of the airport. We have to find a solution with two kinds of motorization. One is for the takeoff very fast, and one is for going to the terminals. We have to be slow, and that was a technical challenge to be solved. Every 15 minutes we have a night in the Miniature Wunderland, so every morning the whole staff is coming home with a jet lag with 4 or 6 days. And here in the airport section we have 10,000 of LEDs. Each one is controlled by the computers, so the simulation is always our challenge to make the best simulation we can do. The section is never finished. So we started with 20 planes in May 2011. And now, today, we have 45 different planes, starting from A380 to the small one, Cessna or something like that. We have some fun facts. We have a flying bee with animated wings, and we have the space shuttle landing, and also the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars, because the whole staff always want to have fun, and the visitors too. You see a big plane is waiting for the takeoff, and a system underneath the track is searching for the plane, finds the plane, and then creates the takeoff. Bye bye.
Thanks, Garrett, for building this airport. It's amazing. And we have 40 aircraft. Once a minute, one aircraft is starting or landing, so 60 of them in an hour. And I'll show you Knuffing now. So this is Knuffing. We have lots of firefighting simulations. This is one of our biggest, because there are, I think, more than 30 firefighter cars. And it's called Knuffing because Garrett's wife, her nickname is Knuff. So this is Hamburg. There's plenty of different highlights here, like the ASV stadium, the soccer stadium. So it was important for us to build Hamburg because we are proud of Hamburg as Hamburg people, and in German we say it's the gate to the world because we are the third biggest harbor, and we build it with lots of detail and highlight.
What's up? Hey, what's up guys? Hey, what's up? I'm Leo. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Rome. My job here is to work on everything related print and layouting. My main job is creating street signs and yeah, putting them on the exhibition. Yeah, so I built this one. It took me like 1 hour or 2 maybe because it's very complicated to do. Yeah, so now it's about to turn dusk, so let's head back to the workshop and I'll show you my equipment. Yeah. Back in the workshop, this is where the magic happens, so to say. This is the basis, which then turns into these little things. I start soldering them and then I put some paint on it, so they turn into actual street signs. And then they get some little stickers. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hope it was interesting for you and have a nice tour.
Hi, Jeske. Hi. Hi. Yeah, my name is Gerard. I'm 29 years old and this is the control station where we're working at. We're just controlling the entire layout here, car system, airport and the trains. From here out it gets steered like 1,100 trains and 44 airplanes flying around and about 280 cars driving around. The grey screens you see right over here, it's all for the trains. Actually they're showing where do you find any trains. Right up there we do have an issue, so one of my colleagues needs to get there and fix it. For the trains we do have 2 control monitors, like having pop-ups where we do have issues, so it's easier to figure it out. The steering system for the cars, the black screens and the colorfuls in it, it's for the airport. That's finally it. That's how it works here.
So, and this is America. Here is Las Vegas. We have a night simulation. For example, in 12 minutes it's getting dark again, and after 3 minutes again it's getting bright. Yes, and it's very nice to have, because this is a emotional flair, and it is for me very awesome to see even after 4 years of working here, because it's very, I would say, romantic, and it has a charming emotional feeling if you see it. And here you see Scandinavia, Denmark, Norway, Sweden and Finland. And we have a 30-liter basin with real water and real ships which are moving. So, and this is the bunker of conspiracy. It has a lot of conspiracy theorists. And what I love about it is because I have a personal thing about it. When it was developed in 2014, I was trying to get a job here. And it was like an application video. And I did it well.
In a world where the news are watched by all of us, where the truth is denied, in a world where the NSA is watching us, where's no place to hide, there's a bunker that reveals the mystery. Welcome to the bunker of conspiracy.
Garrett was impressed about it, and yeah, I got a job, and it has a lot of interesting scenes like the Illuminati printing money, is the moon landing, which was captured in the Hollywood studios. Yeah, that's it. And before we're leaving, I want to show you one last thing, and this is the Helene Fischer Stadium. What is very interesting about it, we have 52,000 people who were glued in by model makers for, I think it was like 3 weeks. And the model builder get crazy on it. So that's it. Thanks for coming here, Just Planes. I hope you will visit us someday, and see you.